Hi everyone, today I want to share microwave Khandvi. So you need a microwave safe bowl, preferably plastic. So in the bowl I'm just going to go in with 1 bowl of gram flour, which is basin. So 1 bowl of gram flour. To that 1 bowl of plain yogurt. So in goes the yogurt. The measurements to that is 1, 1, 1. Equal quantity. So in goes the yogurt. To that 1 bowl of water. So I add in the water. And now to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of green chili and ginger paste. So in goes the green chili and ginger paste. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which will give it a nice kind of soury taste as well. So I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now ideally you need to mix it with a whisk, but do not use electric whisk, otherwise you'll overbeat it. So gently break down all the lumps and just make sure it's nice and smooth. So mix that nicely. And as you can see, all the lumps are breaking down. Okay, so that's nicely mixed now. Now I'm going to pop this into the microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, so that's ready to go in the microwave now. Okay, so into the microwave for 4 minutes. My microwave is 950 watts, so I'm going in for 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes we'll come back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so 4 minutes is up and you can see it's come together. Just give that a really good whisk, make sure you break down all the lumps again. Now in it goes again for another 3 minutes. Okay, so it's gone in for another 3 minutes. I did have to put it back in for an extra 2 minutes. So now after it's cooked, the way you can tell is that your spatula should stand up. That's the way you can tell that the khandvi is fully cooked. Now here you have to be very quick. So you need to start spreading quickly. I'm using a pastry sheet, but you can use a chopping board or just clean the table and go ahead. So you have to be very quick in spreading. Pastry sheets are ideal. Okay, so now I have spread this. Now I'm going to cut it. I'm using a pizza cutter, but go ahead and use a knife if you wish. So just cut long strips, as thick or as thin as you like. I'm leaving the medium size. So cut down all the strips. Now I'm going to roll it. Now here you need a very gentle hand. Do not rush this, otherwise you just end up tearing it. So very gently roll it. And there you have it. That's your khandvi. Just keep a bowl handy. Put it straight into the bowl. like this, do the rest of the khandvi. So gently, 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 gently. Okay. So that's the khandvi ready. I'm just going to temper it now. So I've just got some oil heating up. So I've got some oil heating up. Now in this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. I have added some chopped green chilies because we like it spicy, but you can leave it out. So 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So roughly the khandvi took around, I'd say around about 8 to 10 minutes, but it also depends on your microwave. But no more than 10 minutes of cooking time. Okay, so the mustard seeds are coming along. And now I'm going to go in with some sesame seeds. And then I'm going to add in the green chilies. Very quick, easy recipe, very healthy as well, gluten free and low calorie as well. So perfect for lunch boxes. If you've got guests coming over, can be done within no time, and all ingredients are available at home. Okay, so here you go. I'm going to add the sesame seeds now. Okay. When you put the sesame seeds, don't let them brown too much, otherwise they'll go bitter. And I'm just going to go in with the chopped green chilies. Just put that on for a couple of seconds. And now we're just going to pour that over the khandvi evenly. Tempering's gone on. Now to this I'm just going to add some coriander, some chopped coriander, and some desiccated coconut. So that's your microwave khandvi ready within 8 to 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Microwave khandvi.